And staying with crime-related matters, the Police High Command has ordered a top-level investigation into the alleged criminal activities of 2 members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The policemen are suspected to be involved in multiple murders, shootings and robberies in the corporate area, as well as St. Mary. Details in this report.
The policemen, who were recently taken into custody, were scheduled to be questioned today by senior detectives assigned to the Major Investigations Division in connection with a double murder along Fairfield Avenue in Marvelous St. Andrew on February 7. 2 men, Tyrese Mackenzie, otherwise called Citypus, and Jose Harvey, otherwise called Jose, were gunned down in a drive-by attack. The policemen, one of them assigned to the Trelawney Police Division, reportedly popped up on the radar of the Police High Command last week after one of them was captured by the police along the Port Henderson Main Road in St. Catherine in possession of 2 firearms and more than 60 rounds of ammunition. He was arrested hours after a St. Mary businessman, Garfield Singh, was gunned down at his home in Boscobel, St. Mary last week Monday by men who declared that they were police officers. The 64-year-old businessman who operated a well-known tire shop was killed when they demanded that he open the door to his home and business establishment. Following the murder of Mr. Singh, the police intercepted a grey Toyota Probox with 2 men aboard about 11 p.m. along the Port Henderson Main Road in St. Catherine. An M16 rifle and a Taurus pistol, along with 65 rounds of ammunition, were seized in the vehicle. The policeman and a civilian were taken into custody. Investigators believed the policeman and the other suspect were involved in the murder of Mr. Singh. Head of the St. Catherine South Police, Superintendent Leighton Gray, confirmed to the Gleaner that some investigation is taking place, but said he could not shed any light on that. Commanding Officer for the St. Mary Police Division, Superintendent Anthony Wallace, confirmed too that an active investigation was underway into the murder of Mr. Singh, but declined further comment.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.